Serial reading. Sixth Roman, say true or false. First one, head, hand and legs are internal organs. Head, hand and legs are internal organs. Is it correct this one? Where it is present? It is present outside our body. So this one external organ only, no? So this one false. Second one, heart is made up of muscles. That one correct only. So this one true. Heart is made up of muscles. Third one, muscles are the soft parts of our muscles are the soft parts that cover our bones. True only. Which one hard part? Bone. Bone which one cover? Muscles only cover the bone. So muscles are the soft parts that cover our bones. True. Brush your teeth once a day. Per day how many times want to brush? Twice. So this one false. Brush your teeth once a day. False. Father patting you on your head. Is it good touch? Yes, true only. Father patting you on your head is a good touch. True. Next, choose a correct answer. Das is a commanding center of our body. Which one? Commanding center of our body. Which one? Brain is the commanding center of our body. Here which one option given? Heart, lungs, kidney, brain. Which one? Brain is the commanding center of our body. Second one, food is converted to energy in the stomach. Food is converted into energy which parts? In the stomach. Neck, heart, stomach, nose. Which one correct answer? Stomach only. Food is converted to energy in the stomach. Next, every day we should brush our teeth 2 times. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time here given. Which one correct answer? Every day we should brush our teeth 2 times. We should brush our teeth 2 times. This is only correct answer. Next, which one given? Good touch is a fair and healthy touch. Good touch is a fair and healthy touch. Here option which one given? Unhealthy, bad, unsafe, healthy. Healthy only correct answer. Here spelling mistake Healthy. So good touch is a fair and healthy touch. Next, drink a lot of water every day. Here which one option given? Oil, water, packed juice, salt water. Which one? Drink a lot of water every day only correct answer. Next, answer the following questions. Already we learned how many questions? 4 questions. Which one today homework? 5th question only. 8th Roman, 5th question. What do you do when someone touches you and you feel comfortable? What do you do when someone touches you and feel comfortable? Say, don't touch in a loud voice. Somebody touch you, otherwise anybody give attract to you. What we do? Say, don't touch in a loud voice. What say? Don't touch in a loud voice. Don't touch in a loud voice. Leave the spot quickly. Immediately leave the spot. அந்த இடத்தை விட்டு நகர்ந்துடணும். Next, tell elders. Who is our elders? Parents, teachers, till you get help. எல்டர்கிட்ட சொல்லணும், பேரண்ட்ஸ்கிட்டையோ டீச்சர்கிட்டையோ எப்போ அவங்கக்கிட்ட இருந்து உனக்கு ஹெல்ப் கிடைக்கிற வரைக்கும் அதை நீ சொல்லிக்கிட்டே இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. வாட் டு யூ டூ வென் சம் ஒன் டச்சஸ் யூ and you feel comfortable? Say don't touch in a loud voice. Somebody touches you, you feel uncomfortable. What we do? Say don't touch in a loud voice. First point. Second one, leave the spot quickly. Third one, tell elders like parents or teachers till you get help. ஹெல்ப் கிடைக்கிற வரைக்கும் நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? பேரண்ட்ஸ்டையும் டீச்சர்கிட்டையும் இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கணும். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 9th Roman, first question already we discussed. Today also this question. Answer in detail. What are the safety tips should every child know? What are the safety tips should every child know? Tell everything to your parents, especially to mother. Anything in school, outside, what will happen? You inform your parents, especially to your mother. Don't hide anything. Immediately you inform your parent. Next, don't share address and phone numbers with strangers. Strangers means what? Unknown person. Don't share address and phone numbers with strangers. Don't answer the phone or open the door without an adult present. ஃபோன் நம்பரையோ எது கேட்டாலும் அடல்ட்ஸ் இல்லாமல் என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது? டோரை ஓப்பன் பண்ணி ஆன்சர் பண்ணக்கூடாது. நெவர் ஈட் எனி திங் யூ கெட் ஃப்ரம் ஸ்ட்ரேஞ்சர்ஸ். unknown person give anything means you don't eat that one. Never eat anything you get from strangers. Have emergency telephone number. Always you have your hand emergency telephone number. What are the safety tips should every child know? Tell everything to your parents, especially to mother. Second point, don't share address and phone numbers with strangers. Third one, don't answer the phone or open the door without an adult present. Never eat anything you get from strangers. Last and final point, have emergency telephone number. This only all the child should know the safety tips. Next, project. Make an album with the pictures of internal organs. What is internal organs? The organs present inside our body. We are unable to such organs, that only internal organs. That one, you make an album. You collect that picture or draw the picture. For which organs? Internal organs. You make an album. This only project. Next, worksheet. Tick the correct option. Here, given that option, which one correct option? You tick that answer. We have 2 or 3 legs. Which one correct answer? You select that one. Tick the correct option. We have 2 or 3 legs. Second one, we write with our hands or legs. Which one correct answer? You tick that one. We write with our hands or legs. Next, our eyes are on chin or face. Where is eyes present? That one you tick that one. Our eyes are on chin or face. Fourth one, we smell with our nose or ears. Which organ used to smell? That one you tick. We smell with our nose or ears. We walk with our legs or hands. Which one used to walk? That one you tick. Next, fill in the blanks. We can run with this part of body. Which organ used to run? That one you write in the space. We can run with this part of body. Which part of body? You write this. Fill up. Next, second one. Total number of toes on both legs. Total number of toes on both legs. Toes means here which one? Fingers. How many fingers present in both legs? You write that number here. Third one, we can see anything with these parts of the body. We can see anything with these parts of the body. Which one correct? Which one we can see anything with these parts of the body? Which one used to see right here? Fourth one, we can lift any objects with these parts of the body. One, organ used to lift the object. Which organ? You write the fill up. Next, third Roman, rearrange the letters to find the names of body parts. Some organ hidden in that letters. You write that one. Correct answer. First one, REA. REA. One word here given. Body parts. One body parts hidden in this. All the letters rearrange. You write that correct one. REA. OENS. GEL. YEES. NOEBS. Which one come? You write the, pick out the correct letters. You write that body parts in the dash. Next, fourth one, identify and match the body parts. Here marked part, you write the body parts. First one, which one? Second one, third one, fourth one. Which the part having that arrow mark, you write the parts of the body. Here clue words also down given here, you write that correct spelling. Thank you dears. I hope you all are understood. Do well.